talk about this fantastic color. This color is Razberry Ice-R. It's a rooted color. It is a dark and medium auburn blend with copper and strawberry blonde highlights and a dark brown root. Now this root is like a number 2 dark brown, and it's important for you to know that this particular color is a $19 upcharge when you order the wig. Well, let's take a look at this color outside. Here is the color Razberry Ice-R in natural light. Well, thank you so much for watching my wig review. Take care. Bye-bye.